Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. Okay, so in this tutorial you will learn how to just make stuff, get free sound. Head over to freesound.com. freesound.com, spell it like that. freesound.org, sorry. Search your sound, don't log in, jump. Okay, just type in the jump sound. Okay, that sounds terrible. Let's download that. Okay, so click on the name. Okay, then just press login to download. Gonna log in to download. Okay, I'm just gonna log in. Okay, so create an account if you then download. Just press that button. Okay, it'll download as a WAV file. That's what we want. Okay, so then just go into your game, and drag in your thing, sound here from here. Get that, drag it in. That's your terrible sound. My terrible sound. I chose a terrible sound. Okay, cool. I appreciate that. Watch my video on how to, use sounds to, just use sounds. Okay, sounds in Unreal Engine. I think it's called that. I don't know. Just bye.